Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. As promised, today I'm going to show you how to manually enable all the features from the big November update in Windows 11 25H2. This update has been released only for the release preview channel at the moment, but it will soon be released for the main release as well, and this video will also work for the main release once that update comes out. As a quick reminder, the update that we're talking about for now only in the release preview channel is the update 26200.7296 or build code KB5070311. So of course in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to manually enable all the new features, because as most of you know, Microsoft is slowly rolling out features, and this slow rollout depends on certain factors, for example location, type of device, and more. So if you enjoy videos like these, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. First of all, as always, we're going to have to set up Vive tool on our computer so that we force enable certain features that are slowly rolling out. We're going to have Vive tool in the article below in the video description, and then you can just get the latest version. That's it. You can then open it up using File Explorer, click on Extract All, click on Browse, and make sure you extract it into a dedicated folder. For example, have in this PC local disk C a hidden features folder. You can create one yourself and then select that folder to extract Vive tool there, and also copy the location because we're going to need it whenever we are running the commands. Now let's click on Extract. In my case, I'm going to have to replace the files in the destination, and we are good to go. This is how easily you set up Vive tool on your computer. Now let's open up the search box, type in here CMD, and then click on Run as Administrator. On User Account Control, click on Yes. Inside CMD, we're going to have to type in first CD and then paste the location where we extracted Vive tool, and we're going to have to run a few commands with a few IDs for pretty much all the new features. But first of all, a huge shout out to Phantom of Earth on Twitter or X.com who found these IDs and has shared them online. You're going to have his Twitter link in the pinned comment below. Make sure to follow him if you want to learn more about hidden features and news related to Windows 11 earlier than others. So now let's first of all begin with the first command, which is vivetool/enable/ad 57048237. This is the feature bundle ID, which will basically enable most of the new features, and you should receive a message successfully set feature configuration after each command ran. Don't forget, all the commands and all the steps will be in the article below in the video's description, so you can just copy and paste them from there if you want. Next up, we have the 41356296 ID, which will add the improvements for the taskbar auto hide. The next one is 57882334 for sharing windows on the taskbar. Next up, we have 59265307 for the new About settings page. And also related to settings, we have 53343270 for the new device card in the settings homepage. The new cloud file search toggle in the File Explorer is 47690266. And finally, the new updated widgets are 55994763 and 59162732. Press enter, and as I've said, we've received the message successfully set feature configuration after each command. We can now exit out from the CMD and restart our computer for the changes to take effect. Now after the restart, you'll be able to notice pretty much all the new features inside your operating system. First of all, you'll be able to notice the features that were enabled by the feature bundle. So for example, we have the new dialogues that now support dark mode. You're going to be able to see that whenever you're trying to delete a file or copy files, or even warning dialogues now support dark mode, which I think is pretty cool. Also other small improvements, for example, the new start menu search that now matches the start menu size, and also new icons in the settings app and small improvements. We've also enabled the new improvements for the taskbar auto hide, which was basically pretty much bugged, but now you can use this feature without no issues. Inside the settings app, you can also check the new device card inside the settings homepage that you can find here, which also has a quick link to the new About section that was updated a bit so that you'll be able to see everything pretty easily, and also a quick link to storage as an example. Inside the File Explorer, Microsoft has added the support for cloud file search, and we will also have the updated widgets, for which you're gonna have to also make sure that you have all your Microsoft Store apps up to date so that the Windows Web Experience Pack is up to date. Of course, there are a lot of more features in this big November 2025 update for 25H2, but if you want to check an in-depth video about that, you can see my previous video that I've done in which I showed you in depth all the changes, all the improvements, all the new features, and all the fixes in this latest update. Don't forget that all the information, all the steps, Vive tool, and then commands will be in the article below in the video's description. Yet again, a huge thank you to Phantom of Earth on Twitter or X.com. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Imani from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.